Hello everyone. Today we're going to talk about a cell cycle, and during cell division, cell goes through two phases before it completes its division. So this is one cell, and after division, two cells forms. Uh, they are very equal in composition of a chromosome and all the cytoskeleton that it has. So there'll be two copies of this cell after the cell division. It goes through two phases, M phase and interphase. And M phase itself has mitosis in it and cytokinesis. Mitosis has four stages. We'll talk about in separate video in detail what happens in those four stages. And the one of the stages called prophase, second is called metaphase, third is anaphase, and fourth is Telophase and Telophase, sorry, and the fifth one is a cytoskeleton. So cytoskeleton is I mentioned here under M phase. So compositely, four phases are included in mitosis, and cytoskeleton is itself. So these are two stages of M phase. Then we're gonna talk about interphase. Before it get to mitosis, the cell goes through this whole cycle of interphase. Interphase, it has three stages: G1, S phase, and G2 phase. So let's talk about briefly mitosis. And mitosis, during mitosis, nuclear division occurs, and after nuclear division, this is the formation of cell. This one, okay. Look, the chromosomes are separated into two separate entities. They are equally divided, and cells start making a groove. Okay. After cytokinesis, this groove finishes, and two separate cells forms. Now these separate cells are going to divide again. Okay. So they are going to go through this interphase first. This interphase. So first part of the interphase is G1 phase. It checks if the environment is favorable for the cell to go for uh, DNA replication. If anything goes wrong here, it does not go to DNA replication. Similarly, S phase, if it detects any abnormalities in DNA replication, it does not go to G2 phase. And G2 phase checks if cell is ready for the nuclear division. Okay, the nuclear division that I described right here. Okay, so when that happens, it goes to this mitosis phase, and then mitosis, as I told you, it has four stages, and then it goes individually into those four stages, and finally cytokinesis divide the cell into two, and this cycle keeps on going until cell wants to divide further or not. Okay, so it keep dividing until the environment is favorable. Okay guys, so that is briefly is what the cell cycle is. It has two phases: M phase, M phase. M phase has four more stages in the form of mitosis, and cytoskeleton divide the cell into two, and then these two cells start going into interphase state, and this interphase state has three more phases, and each check before it goes to the next one. So that's briefly is the cell cycle. If you like the video, go ahead and subscribe the channel, leave a comment or thumbs up. I see you in the next tutorial. Till then, you have